but she saw him.
Obwegyese rukozesa emishango ekurirwe Justice Isaac Muwata erukugenda misho n'okuhurira orubanja rw'owabira rw'omushuubuzi omuri Kampala Henry Katanga erizoba bakansobamure Katanga bebembirwe je tumwebaze babuza obujulizi obwarese rw'orubaju oruhababi bebembirwe n'omuneneserezo obubagira ngu taragire kiruhura aha kuziika Katanga.
So please confirm that the funeral service took place on that same day and at that same time of 3rd November 2024, correct?
Yes, my lord.
I put it to you,
3rd November.
3rd November, my lord. At that same time when they were searching, the funeral service going on, the searching was going on. I put it to you now, ma'am, that while the soul of your brother was being prayed for at church, you were busy ravaging through his documents, looking for, breaking his safe, looking for documents and money.
My lord, I'm being insulted. I don't do that. I'm not a thief. I received the things from my brother and I went for service. And when the police called me, I went there and looked at the things they were searching. And I went for the service at the same time. Don't call me names. Let us respect each other.
I put it to you, with respect to your security, I put it to you that your interest in this case...
My lord, sorry, we want to interject. Let our land colleague please sit down. Kindly.
So you took police?
No, my lord.
Aba bayongera bagira ngo nahizoba eryo kushendekereza omubiri gw'omugenzi Henry Katanga omuri kiruhura nabwe tarazicire kandi akaba aryo muri kashari aho babire bino mukoro gundi kandi nyangweso ekiyakikiriza.
On the 5th of November 2023, Henry Katanga was buried in Kashari, correct?
Ebiro bitano byo kwikumi na kumwe
Ni Nyabushozi.
Ogwo kumibya eshatu Henry Katanga bakamuzika Nyabushozi.
Yes, my lord.
You did not attend your brother's funeral in Nyabushozi.
Toragireyo na nabi.
Nyabushozi, my lord. Henry was buried in Nyabushozi. Nyabushozi district. So we are using the wider district. Nyabushozi.
Toragire yafu.
So you did not attend.
Yeah, she has answered. She did not attend the burial.
Aba bayongera bashanga ngo bimwaha by'obwiga by'omugenzi ebiro kugambwa kuba yarekire nawo menyangweso birumwe byapa byitaka bank account notebook nebinde birukwingana 10 bitu bikaborra aha polisi obweko rokuchondoza ha office zabo omuri Kampala bitu nyangwese byona we yabyehakana.
The 77 in that such safety were actually taken to the police.
No manyangu ebi papura bijasi 10 nibyo ba omuryezo documents nshanjo na mushanjo nibyo batwira police.
My lord, I don't know.
In fact, no titles, checkbooks, notebook, or any other documents are ever recorded at any police station. Are you aware?
So she doesn't know that.
My lord, I don't know.
Initially
It's not me who took them.
such certificate, only 10 you say?
Yes.
Only 10.
Only less than 10, my lord. Less than
Only
10.
less than 10.
10 out of 77 listed in that such certificate ever made their way to police.
Nabwanyuma Justice Muwata yaashaba ngo mushango ogwo kugugarukamo izobe rya nyenchakare gasha kwa Jeme Muhumuza.